This just in. Prime Minister Andrew Holness of Jamaica has just announced that Jamaicans are to go to the polls on Thursday, September 3, 2020.
Tuesday, the 18th day of August 2020 is appointed as nomination day. The date fixed for the taking of the polls, that is the general elections for the year 2020, is therefore Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness just made the announcement in Parliament a short while ago that nomination day will be Tuesday, August 18, 2020. It will be Jamaica's 18th general election since Universal Adult Suffrage in 1944. The election will be held at a time when Jamaica is seeing a spike in COVID-19 cases, and this will definitely have an impact on voter turnout. In addition to being the first election to be possibly held during a global pandemic, fears are also raised as this is the second time that an election will be held in September. This is usually the height of the hurricane season. Holness said that this demands that there should be balance and responsibility. It has to be about ensuring that we keep people safe and we balance the economy, he said. So to repeat, Prime Minister Andrew Holness of Jamaica has declared that Thursday, September 3, 2020 is the date that Jamaicans will head to the polls to elect their next government. Nomination day will be Tuesday, August 18. This has been another breaking news item from the SNN. Please continue to have a wonderful evening. Peace.
On Thursday, August 13, 2020, acting on my advice, the Governor General is expected to take the necessary steps required by Section 64(1) of the Constitution to dissolve the Parliament by proclamation. I now further advise, in exercise of the powers conferred upon me by Section 21(1) of the Representation of the People Act, the following notice is hereby given. 1. This notice may be cited as the Representation of the People Act, Appointment of Nomination Day, Notice 2020. And 2, Tuesday, the 18th day of August 2020 is appointed as Nomination Day. This notice has been gazetted today, Tuesday, the 11th day of August 2020. Consequently, the date fixed for the taking of the polls, that is the general elections for the year 2020, is therefore Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020. Speaker, we will be quick.